Ever looked at your Chime balance, saw that sweet, sweet number and thought, I'm gonna treat myself? But then, a little voice in your head whispers, wait, is there a limit to how much I can pull out? If you've ever had this internal debate, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Chime to answer the burning question, does Chime have a withdrawal limit? Chime, the digital banking sensation, has taken the financial world by storm. It's known for its fee-free perks, easy-to-use app, and overall customer-friendly approach. But when it comes to your hard-earned cash, knowing your withdrawal limits is crucial. You don't want to get caught off guard, right? So, let's break it down. Main content, understanding Chime withdrawal limits. Now, the short answer is, it depends. Chime doesn't have a blanket withdrawal limit that applies to everyone. Instead, there are a few factors that come into play. Chime account type. Chime spending account, this is your everyday account for deposits, purchases, and withdrawals. The daily withdrawal limit for ATM withdrawals is generally around $500. However, it's essential to check the specific terms and conditions as this might change. Chime Spot Me, this overdraft protection feature has its own rules. While it can be a lifesaver, it's not a bottomless pit. There are limits on how much you can overdraw and how often you can use it. Chime Visa Credit Builder, this card is designed to help you build credit. Withdrawal limits can be lower compared to a regular credit card. ATM Network. Not all ATMs are created equal. Some ATM networks might impose their own withdrawal limits, regardless of your bank. So, if you're planning a big withdrawal, check the ATM network first. Your withdrawal history. Chime, like any financial institution, monitors your account activity. If there's a sudden spike in withdrawals, it might raise a red flag. In some cases, you might need to verify your identity before proceeding. Chime's internal policies. Chime reserves the right to adjust withdrawal limits based on various factors, including fraud prevention and risk management. Dispelling myths. Let's clear up some common misconceptions. Myth 1. There's a nationwide withdrawal limit for Chime. False. While there might be average limits, your specific situation can vary. Myth 2. Overdrafting with SpotMe is unlimited. Incorrect. SpotMe has its limits, and overuse can lead to fees. Tips for managing your withdrawals. Plan ahead. If you know you need a large sum of cash, give Chime a heads up. Use ATMs wisely. Consider fees and withdrawal limits before hitting that button. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your transaction history to avoid surprises. Understanding your Chime withdrawal limits is crucial for managing your finances effectively. By knowing the factors that influence these limits and following some simple tips, you can avoid any unpleasant surprises. Remember, the best way to stay informed is to check Chime's official website or app for the most up-to-date information. And if you're still unsure, don't hesitate to contact Chime's customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.